Hi guys, I am selected for Nykaa Core Campus Ambassador program. Last time भी मैं part थी, but this time it will be for 1 year. The first onboarding kit I received, I still remember last year I got onboarding kit and that was my first ever biggest PR जिसमें इतने सारे brands के products थे and इतने सारे अच्छे brands के products थे and this time I received PR of worth ₹13,000. इसलिए ऑल्सो मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे ऑलरेडी मेरे ऑनबोर्डिंग किट के लिए वीडियो बनाया है, तो डू एंगेज ऑन दैट. मैं ऑलरेडी लिंक नीचे डाल दूंगी. सो लेट मी शो यू द बॉक्स विच आई रिसीव्ड. यहाँ पे यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन द वीडियो. This is the official letter where I have received. So cute. And yeah, it actually the way it has been printed and shared in an envelope, it's so cute. I will keep this forever with me because I have this cute stickers. दिस इज अ क्यूट कैप. ये लास्ट टाइम भी मुझे मिला था. इट सेज नायका कोर. सेम ऐसा ही था बट दिस टाइम पीछे ऑलरेडी एक छोटा सा क्यूट कोट लिखा है. हेयर इज नॉट हेयरिंग टूडे, दैट्स व्हाई दिस कैप. देन आई हैव दिस क्यूट बुक विच सेज टॉक ड्यूई टू मी एंड अगेन यहाँ पे भी नायका कोर लिखा हुआ है एंड दिस इज अ डायरी. Then I have this cute pouch. It says in case of emergency open and serve. Then I have this tote bag kind of a thing which says iconic shit only. And इसके नीचे भी नायका कोर लिखा हुआ है. So these are the cute few things which I received as a merch saying Nykaa Core related things. And this is the huge PR I received. ये मेरे कैमरा को ऑलरेडी पूरा हाईजैक कर लिया है. The ढक्कन or the upper lid has been written as Nykaa Core. And this feels so good the way it has been printed. Oh my god, I'm loving this. The fun part of the video is this. This is the huge amount of PR I received. There are so many brands, so many, like crazy. First thing is this sugar lipstick. Then I have this Indie Wild ka vegan lip gloss again. I have Sugar Pops pencil, kajal pencil. Have Elf ka lip oil, and we have this dry shampoo. I have never used this and I wanted to but मैंने कभी लिया नहीं था. So this is Elegance Professional dry shampoo. Then this is Wish Care ka fluid sunscreen. I have this hair serum from Thrive. I have this Sugar Pop ka eyeliner. This is from brand Mila Beauty and it's a Jamun Short lip gloss. This is the Maybelline ka blush. The Teddy tint which is in brown shade. I have these two facial packs. One is this sheet mask and one is this again sheet mask. It is from Nykaa and one is from Tony Moly. Then we have this Nykaa's Moi perfume. ये नायका लैंड में भी था. Then we have this Nykaa shower gel. Then we have this Moxie brand का जो ये frizzy hair you can see इसको settle करने के लिए है. Then we have Fix Derma का lip balm I have got. Then we have this pop up Nykaa Core के लिए. ये मैं try करूँगी अपने फोन के पीछे लगाने के लिए. Nykaa's lipstick, Elf का eyeshadow palette. Then we have Trix का serum. I think so body spray है ये. It is from Bath and Care brand. Have this RAV organic का roll on, underarm roll on. I have a setting spray. It's from Swarovski hydrating glow toner and makeup setting spray. Is Bioderma's face wash. 10x का it's a hair glossy mist लिखा है. ये freeze control करने के लिए है इसका. Then I have this CeraVe face wash. I have Plum का niacinamide वाला serum. It's Nykaa's hair mask, advanced hair growth के लिए है. hair identifier spray. I'm loving it. I'm already loving this. I have this foxtail ka purple clay mask. Then we have this Strix ka highlighter, hair highlighting kit. Plum ka new vanilla caramello perfume. This is it. I received so much, like, oh my god. I can't even express how grateful I am. And you will be getting many more videos like this because this program is going to run for a year now. एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता चलेगी आपको आगे जाके, बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होंगे, कॉम्पिटिशन्स होंगे. आई विल बी टेकिंग पार्ट एंड आई विल बी एक्टिवली पोस्टिंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. इन केस आपने अगर नहीं फॉलो किया है, डू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. And do let me know in the comment section if you like this video, and do let me know if you want to see any reviews of any of the product, because most of the products मैंने अभी तक यूज नहीं किए हैं. That will be my first time. तो मैं उसका डालूंगी रिव्यू, तो मुझे बताना. एंड या बाय.